newly minted Associate Justice Raul Villanueva to the Supreme Court. We are very happy for this appointment because it is as our new justice was saying, and I was telling him, that it is a well-deserved appointment. He has a wealth of experience as a judge, an RTC judge, until 2002. And then he has from 2002, and since 2010 he has worked in the Supreme Court, and therefore he is well versed in all that needs to be done for the proper and smooth function of the court. And besides that, we have begun a trend between the Supreme Court and the executive of a closer relationship in the past couple of years, and I know that the appointment of our new justice will continue that trend and bring the departments of government even closer than before, and so that the function of government is smoother, better, and that we are unified in our goal to making life better for all Filipinos. We all have our part to play, and for justice, you have a new part to play. So thank you very much.